right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video update from Seasonal Swing Trader. Today is Thursday, December 6, 2018. Today we're taking a look at a setup in silver, specifically March silver. So this is going to be SIH9 for the March 2019 silver contract. Notice that over several months we've been working our way down from this double top action that triggered a short in June. This was a very high probability setup to go short here in the summer months. It worked its way down. We had a few 1, 2, 3 bottoms that we tried to set up during the course, but we could never get a confirmation close or a break of the trend line for a confirmed setup in silver, keeping us out of that market to the long side. Now that we have broken the longer term downtrend line, traded in a narrow sideways fashion, probed new lows back in November, we look to have a high probability seasonal setup to the long side. Trading the metals market to the long side has been historically one of the more favorable setups from the seasonal arsenal that we like to use. In particular, trading silver and gold to the long side going into January and February, with the setup being right around in mid-December. So had we not known that, we would still be looking for a trade to the long side based on a technical perspective. As I've said, we've broken the long-term trend line. We spent some time in a narrow sideways channel. We probed for new lows a couple of times here without making newer lows on the RSI. So we have a double or triple bottom here, a fresh 1, 2, 3 bottom setup with a triangle breakout. So the trigger long entry was 1450. We've broken out, had a couple of retests, which we like to see. The initial risk on the trade is going to be below 13.80 with initial target here at 15.20. Coincidentally, the target is going to be a test of the sloping 200-day moving average. And to further our argument, we have additional seasonal statistics in that based on a 15-year seasonal track record, this trade has been profitable 14 out of the last 15 years for a 93% win rate. So the approximate entry date ideally calls for a entry around the 20th or the 21st of December, with an exit date right around the beginning of March 5th or so. And that's going to be in the May silver contract. And to put this in real perspective from a seasonal basis, notice that on a 5, 15, and 30-year basis, this should be a bottom in the silver market as we just laid out in our analysis. This is right here in the middle of December, looking for a bottom for a move to the upside. Silver has been the weakest of the market relative to gold, copper, palladium, and platinum, so this market looks right for upside potential. We had our members today working bull put spreads and bull call spreads in AGQ, silver futures, and SLV. So I hope this is a nice little seasonal trade for your Christmas. Good luck, good trading, and we'll see you on the next update.